How much do you think it costs just in fuel to run a 797? The Caterpillar 797 is one of the biggest trucks in the world, and it can carry up to 400 short tons of material. But do you actually know how much it costs to run it in fuel only? Let's get into it. The 797 is equipped with a 1,200-gallon fuel tank, or 4,540 liters. On average, the mining truck will need 114 liters, or 30 gallons, to keep running per hour. It will need a refuel every 40 operating hours. So, over a full year of operation, the CAT 797 will need to be refueled a little bit more than 180 times, which translates to a global consumption of 216,000 gallons per year. At a current wholesale price of $3.58 per gallon, it currently costs just about $773,000 to run a 797 for a year. And that's in fuel only. Silly numbers?